Imagine walking outside in the middle of the day, and the sky is blood red. The sun disappears behind a strange haze. For months, temperatures begin to drop. People around the world think the apocalypse has arrived. And it all started because of one of the most violent volcanic eruptions in recorded history. This is the incredible story of Krakatoa. On August 27, 1883, the volcanic island of Krakatoa, located between Java and Sumatra in Indonesia, exploded with unimaginable force. This wasn't just another volcanic eruption. Scientists estimate the explosion was equivalent to around 200 megatons of TNT, more than 13,000 Hiroshima-sized atomic bombs. The blast was so loud that people heard it over 3,000 miles away in Australia and islands in the Indian Ocean. To this day, it's considered one of the loudest sounds ever heard by humans. The pressure wave from the explosion circled the Earth 7 times. Imagine an explosion so powerful that instruments all over the world kept detecting it for days. But the eruption was only the beginning. The volcano collapsed into the ocean, creating massive tsunamis over 100 feet tall. Entire coastal towns were erased within minutes. Ships were thrown miles inland. More than 36,000 people lost their lives. The eruption blasted enormous amounts of ash and sulfur gas high into Earth's atmosphere. Instead of falling back down quickly, the particles spread around the globe. For the next several years, people everywhere witnessed sunsets unlike anything ever seen before. Brilliant reds, deep oranges, purple skies. Some artists even painted these strange skies without realizing they were capturing the effects of Krakatoa. But the beauty came with consequences. The ash reflected sunlight back into space. Global temperatures dropped by about 2 degrees Fahrenheit. That might not sound like much, but for Earth's climate it was a dramatic change. Weather patterns shifted. Crop harvests suffered. Some regions experienced unusually cold summers. Even stranger, people reported seeing blue and even green suns. The moon sometimes appeared lavender. The atmosphere had become so filled with volcanic particles that sunlight bent in unusual ways. Many people had no idea what was happening. News traveled slowly in the 1880s. Some believed the colorful skies were supernatural signs. Others feared the end of the world had begun. Today, the original Krakatoa volcano is mostly gone. But a new volcano called Anak Krakatau, meaning Child of Krakatoa, has risen from the sea in its place, and it's still active today. It's a reminder that even one event in a remote part of the world can change weather, skies, and lives across the entire planet. Sometimes, history's craziest stories aren't fiction. They really happened. If you want more unbelievable true stories from history, science, and the strange side of our world, be sure to follow for the next one.